Oh hey there, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to 45 Nights of Pumpkin Spice, where I make myself sick off of pumpkin products. I just did a SoulCycle class and I'm not really in the mood for pastries, so I figured I have pumpkin puree in my cabinets, and then I kind of have all the stuff to make a protein like shake, and I figure what's the harm in trying? So let's make a pumpkin spice pumpkin pie protein shake. Really simple ingredients, really easy, and I'm not gonna try to like reinvent the wheel, guys. I'm just gonna make a smoothie so I can replenish from all the calories I burnt at SoulCycle. I didn't burn that many calories, but you know, just wanna like be semi-healthy. So we're gonna start off with protein powder, obviously whatever brand you want. Surprise me, I don't care. And then pumpkin pie puree, frozen bananas, pumpkin pie spice. You can also use cinnamon because it's kind of like the same flavors. Peanut butter, your favorite nut milk, non-dairy milk, dairy milk, and then ice because we want it to be nice and smooth. So I'm just going to get the ice. Look, easy enough. Soy milk, toss it in there. I'm thinking like a half cup, quarter cup, I don't know, whatever works for you. So once you get your ice and your soy milk, just add the cinnamon or pumpkin spice, whatever seasoning you want. Once you add your seasoning, then you're gonna grab your pumpkin puree. And I'm thinking I'm gonna add like a quarter cup or like a third of a cup, not too much. I do want it to taste a little bit like a pumpkin pie. We want it to be pumpkin pie-y. I'm gonna add about half a banana and then some peanut butter because everybody loves peanut butter, like half a serving. Dollop that on there, and then if there's any extra on the spoon, obviously eat it. I should probably not eat peanut butter and then try to talk. I'll do half a serving of your favorite protein powder, just toss it on there. Ugh. A little high, Heidi. Oh my god. We're just gonna compact that all in. Ooh, that's tight. That's what she no, I'm not gonna go there. I'm not going to make this inappropriate. Okay, but you get the point. So lock and load her up, and then without hurting yourself, just squeeze it on. Tighten that bad boy without making it overflow. Wouldn't be a good idea. It's already overflowing. Well, only one way to find out. Woo! It's like with my grades in school. You never know. I'm kidding. Okay, that's not funny. This looks like it's too much, but we're gonna blend it up anyway. We're done. Wow. Whew. Took a lot out of me. Let's go try this bad boy. Don't hurt yourself, Heidi. And pumpkin pie protein shake. Oh my god, it's so pumpkin-y. Orange? That's a color. Pumpkin-y is not a color, Heidi. Should I lick the blade? No, that doesn't sound smart. I'm gonna do it anyway. We're gonna put the blade in the sink. I'm really tempted to try it. And then, yeah, just give it a go. Party don't stop with the pumpkin pie protein shake, and actually super delicious. But yeah. Anywho, I hope you all have a fabulous rest of your day. Enjoy the fall, enjoy the seasons. 'Tis the season. You know, we got about a month more of this, so we're just gonna keep rolling with the punches. Until then, thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.